Forex Factory is the site I come to do my fundamental analysis each week. Right now, you're seeing the relevant news for all the currencies today. Next, this is how I filter the currencies to a pair that might be relevant to me. I am unchecking all the boxes to only show GBP USD news folders. After I'm finished, I click the tab Apply Filter to see my new settings. Now I'm seeing today's news for GBP USD, but when I click today's tab, I can adjust the view to see more days. I select the day on the begin date side and select another day on the end date side. After I'm done, I click the tab to apply my settings to view the entire week. If this has provided you with any value, please click like, comment, and share. Thank you.